Sitefinity Cloud meets the highest security standards. Security features are built into the application and the infrastructure, both of which are configured with best practices by expert teams. Cloudflare is the CDN of choice and has important security features. In addition to the CDN capabilities, it offers unmatched protection against distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. And the Cloudflare Web Application Firewall is used to stop application vulnerability attacks by monitoring malicious web requests. The firewall is configured to protect against the OWASP Top 10 security vulnerabilities. The Sitefinity application itself also provides security features. With every new release, Sitefinity offers multiple performance benefits and a higher level of security. New releases get the latest versions of third-party libraries and plugins too. The Sitefinity Web Security module is used to configure HTTP security headers, content security policies, and cookie protection. This helps protect sites against attacks such as cross-site scripting, clickjacking, code injection, stealing or modifying data in transit, man-in-the-middle, and content sniffing. Sitefinity Cloud is built on top of the Microsoft Azure infrastructure, which itself provides a long list of security features. Your data is contained within your subscription, and no resources are shared between subscriptions. Azure Active Directory uses multi-factor authentication for additional security. Access to any app service, SQL database, or Redis cache service is restricted using a firewall whitelist. The connections between the Azure resources for each customer go through the shared networking in Azure, which means that it does not cross any network boundaries and is encrypted. Azure provides additional DDoS functionality at the Azure services level. Security rules control network traffic to and from the Azure resources that constitute the Sitefinity Cloud environment. Connection attempts to local addresses and the machine's own IP will fail, except if another process in the same sandbox has created a listening socket on the destination port. Website files, databases, system logs, and search indexes are all encrypted at rest. The Azure SQL Database Service protects all databases with an automated backup system. Backups are retained for 35 days by default, and the duration can be extended. The point-in-time restore capability allows you to restore a database from any of the restore points within the retention period. A mechanism is provided for performing on-demand backups of staging and production databases, with the personal identifiable information obfuscated. Transparent Data Encryption (TDE) protects your databases, backups, and logs at rest without any changes to your application. SQL servers also have advanced data security, including data discovery and classification, vulnerability assessment, and advanced threat protection. And finally, SQL database auditing helps in maintaining regulatory compliance and gathering insight into any database discrepancies and anomalies. Behind the scenes, Sitefinity Cloud makes use of the Azure Security Center. This tool provides security posture management and threat protection for cloud workloads. If you need access to any of this information that the Azure Security Center provides, please contact the Sitefinity Cloud team. The Center for Internet Security publishes independent guidelines and best practices for cybersecurity. The CIS has established a step-by-step checklist to secure Microsoft Azure. This benchmark is an objective, consensus-driven security guideline for companies that offer software and services on the Microsoft Azure platform. Sitefinity Cloud is fully compliant with the CIS Microsoft Azure Foundation's benchmark. To recap, Sitefinity Cloud treats security as a top priority. This starts with Cloudflare, which prevents DDoS, login, and bot attacks. Next, security is enhanced with application-level features such as frequent security improvements and the built-in web security module. And finally, the Microsoft Azure infrastructure offers a myriad of security features. This video is one of a series of videos about Sitefinity Cloud. Make sure to check out the other videos to learn about the many benefits of Sitefinity Cloud.